This is the Luseta Keratin Shampoo. This is the Smoothing and Nourishing formula. And this is the Luseta Keratin Conditioner, Smoothing and Nourishing formula. Both are great for color-treated hair. These felt like, right out of the box, a formula that was meant to actually improve the hair over time. Not just that fake one-and-done softness after one wash or conditioner. But we tested this out on 3 different hair types. Colored, my daughter has very curly hair and the other one has just normal hair. But after a few washes, all of our hair felt much noticeably stronger and less frizzy. The frizz remained calmer and the hair was smoother. Also, it felt soft and healthy. It did not feel that it was coated or treated in any way, which is good. Why this one stood out to me. The keratin, definitely the keratin is something you use over time and it just doesn't peak with one wash. I like that a lot. As I said, great option for color-treated hair or damaged hair that needs a little strength without that stiffness, okay? And after a few washes, our hair looked healthier, brushed easier, and was much more feeling resilient to things. But overall, these are excellent products. I highly recommend the Luseta Keratin Shampoo and Conditioner. The opinions in this review are mine, and we based our review on real testing of the product. The product was provided by the brand.